Hi guys, welcome back to Magic Day. Sorry that we couldn't include the Tram video in our Halloween Horror Nights video. It just would have been way too long, so we just wanted to do a separate video for it. Just a heads up again, there will be flashing lights to photosensitive viewers. Maybe skip out on this one. Also, it's going to be a bit scarier than our normal videos, not quite as family friendly. So if you get scared easily, I would skip this video again. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the bell for notifications, and comment down below if there's anything you guys want us to do. Anyways, let's get back onto the tram. Also, I found a video that I wanted to include that was missing last time. So I'm gonna put that in here first before we go to the tram. What's happened?
Oh, so Michael Myers was coming at me down the hallway. He was about 15 feet away from me, and he came with me with the knife, and he got really close. I just took off running down through the door and ran into McKenna.
That was awesome. That was actually one of the first scary movies I had ever seen in my life. And that is what got me into scary movies, was Halloween. And so like, when I said I was like so excited I could cry, it was true. And just, oh my gosh. We're gonna head on to the tour tram. I mean, we're on, but we're about to take off. This is my first time in the front ever on the tram, period. So I'm excited. My foot tingles right there.
Take the seat, Tram. Couple things before we get you out to the party. Make sure you stay seated for this short trip out there, keeping arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times. If you're traveling with small children, you might want to move them towards the center of the roads, away from the outside gates. And if you have an emergency of any kind, and an emergency only, you can pull on the red cord overhead. We'll stop and I'll be back to assist you. With that, sit back, relax, and let's go. Universal Studios, we are the oldest studio in Hollywood. We're over 100 years old. With that many years, wow, do we have a whole lot of skeletons in our closet. All us employees here, we always talk about the fact that we do have a bit of a clown problem. Well, let me show you what I'm talking about. Some of you may remember that back in 2016, the backlot was haunted by a sudden appearance of a mysterious clown the internet would come to call Hollywood Harry. Turned out, Harry was in fact an actor named Harold Kapowitz. He hosted a kids' TV show called Poodle's Carnival back in the 1950s, and also served as the original mascot for the studio tour. After terrorizing the studio throughout 2016, Harry disappeared back into the Hollywood Hills, and everything went quiet again for 2 years. Then in 2018, Harry kidnapped a pair of Universal tour guides and forced them to participate in his demented version of his TV show.
Hello, boys and girls. It's your pal, Poodles the Clown.
Despite the best efforts of the authorities, the bodies of Scott and Allison, my fellow guides, were never recovered. And once again, Harry disappeared into the Hollywood Hills. It's been 4 years since we last heard from Harry, but I don't think he's gone for good. When we reopened the theme park, we found black balloons, Harry's calling card, everywhere. And lately, there's been even more troubling signs.
Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat.
Oh no.
Happy Halloween, boys and girls.
Oh, that's Scott and Allison.
That's my favorite time of year too. I've got a great idea. Let's have a Halloween party. I'll give you dog. That's a swell idea. No! It's all wrong! I'm sorry, boys and girls. I'm so
Sorry,
Halloween party was pumpkins and ghosties and black cats and vampire bats and skeletons and so happy to clown candy all by myself.
is thrilled to see you here for his Halloween party. Unfortunately, I can't go with you, so as we lift those gates, watch your step. Good luck. Happy Hairy Halloween.
I got this.
Hello, boys and girls. It's your old pal, Coons the Clown. Come on, the party is about to begin.
Just remember, they don't have chains on them. So I actually am not terrified of chainsaws in a haunted house because I know that legally they cannot have the chains on them because otherwise we would get hurt. Oh, hey! So I'm not terrified of chainsaws at haunted houses. I don't know how the light is, but there's some pretty classic cars. We got the mystery machine over there. So that's pretty fun. Dog hey. That like shocked me, but in like a really strange way, and I don't know how to explain how that shocked me. It just shocked me in the sense of, oh, hey. Like, I didn't know you were right there, but hey. Okay. Hey, the annual Halloween party. Hi, Koodles! Bro, you good? Bro, I think you should sit down. You got some stab wounds. Oh no! Oh, that's awesome. Get a good dead move going on. Alright, I know the middle one. Some move. Oh, bro! I was not ready for that to spray in my face. Here we go. We're going to the Beach Motel. Another one of my favorite horror movies, Psycho. It's a really good one. It's a good classic. If you love them. If you love black and white movies, I should say, you'll like it. It's really good. There's Mother in the window. She's kind of hard to see. She's not moving right now. But there she is. All right, Black Cat Alley. I know they come from you from above on this one, so. Oh man, that is freaking cool. I love that. That is cool. That is awesome. I don't know why, but this is like one of my favorite classic Halloween looks. Yeah. What? Hi, Koodles! Hello! I'm not afraid of clowns. I'm actually very much not afraid of clowns. And that's my toxic trait. I am not terrified of clowns. Yo! It's a vampire bat! He didn't like that. I'm sorry. I should take that back. My bad. He didn't like that. Whoa! Hey! I probably would have kept walking had you not said anything. Would have definitely have accidentally just walked into him. Hey!
That's entertainment.
Nice. Woo! That got me. Honestly, sometimes I can't tell who's just here and who's like a part of the. Hello. I probably play movies. I'm short enough. Hi, Koodles. Hello. Ooh, Koodles pumpkins. We'll probably see some of the greatest pumpkins ever. Oh, okay.
Hey, look at the school bus.
All right, all right. Nice, yeah. All right, we are about to head onto the set of Nope.
Happy Halloween.
I'm kind of excited. I have not seen Nope, so I feel kind of sad I won't appreciate it as much, but I have seen Us, and Us is really good.
They're coming! They're coming! They're coming! They're coming!
Oh, I see creatures from Us. I'm excited. They kind of scare me, but they're cool. I love how robotic they are. Oh, whoa. I did not see that person there. Nice. Oh, man. They look so cool. So creepy. I love it. Whoa, that was good. That got me. Oh, whoa, whoa. Got a nice pot of tea. Nice pot of tea. We're leaving. We're leaving. Man, these people are good. Just staring like that. Oh, you got me! I had a feeling he was gonna do that because they do that in the movie and I knew it. Uh-oh. Our Tram, personally, I'm gonna have to rank it as the least scary one. That was not that scary. It was very fun though. But also, like I said, clowns don't really scare me, and chainsaws don't scare me in a haunted house because I know they aren't real. It's more of just a sound thing. It's just like, it activates like that image in your brain. So I'm not afraid of chainsaws. Here is our final list from scary to least scary. Hope you guys enjoyed. Tell me what you thought was the scariest to least scary down below from our video alone. I know I had friends tell me The Weeknd didn't seem like the scariest, and I agreed until I was there. And then it became kind of a different atmosphere. I didn't realize how much they jumped out at you. And so, in my personal opinion, watching it, least scary. Being there, definitely the scariest one. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the bell for notifications. And you guys have a magic day. See you later. Happy Halloween.